Well, there's nothing formally planned here. It was simply an opportunity to ask some questions. Please feel free to unmute. If you have trouble unmuting, just let us know and we can do it for you. If there are no questions, you certainly don't have to stay around, but it was more to make sure that everyone had the information that they needed. Just to remind you, tomorrow we're going to start again at 10 o'clock with a basic check-in and introduction. The formal modules will begin at 10:30 and we'll follow the same schedule as this week. If you need to talk to us, you have our contact information. And also, if you would like to participate in the hackathon, please do let us know. And if we're having any ideas or want things to discuss, let us know as well. If there are any questions from the things you want clarified? Noah, is there a question?
Well, I just need to do all the exercises because I haven't got the chance. I came in the middle, so yeah.
Okay, we'll try to pull the exercises out of the slide decks, but that may not happen immediately. It may take a day or two.
Okay.
But the slide decks are available, so you should have those in the student materials folder.
Just tell me which slides. Is it like 1 to 4 or 1 to 5? 1 until 5? I don't know. I mean, just give me the names of this specific slides and I look at them.
Okay. Right. So each day is numbered. So today is day 0, and each module is numbered. So it's module 1, 2, 3, and 4. So
right.
It would be the introduction to Python would have been module 0.1.
Yeah.
The discussion of lists and strings was module 0.2. The discussion of dictionaries was 0.3, and the discussion of classes was 0.4.
Makes sense.
Then real quick, while we're pulling out the individual exercises to at least get started, all of the slides in those 4 slide decks, the ones that are actual exercises will say it really big across the top. So in the very least, you can grab those slide decks for now. And when you just click through the slides, you should be able to spot them pretty easily.
I think there may have been 1 or 2 other questions in the chat, if you wanted to look at those.
Do you listen to me?
Please go ahead.
Okay. I'd like to know for tomorrow, do we need to download something or register just to prepare the day of tomorrow?
So please register. That we're going to be teaching the course using the online version of CompuCell. So please, can somebody paste the NanoHub link into the chat?
Mm-hmm.
Let me get that for you. So if you were able to use the NanoHub, yeah.
For NanoHub, I already did it, so I just wanted to know if there's something else or we need to register somewhere.
No.
Okay.
It should just be using this tool here. I mean, if you wanted to download CompuCell onto your local computer, you can, but it's easier to start with to use the NanoHub version because then everybody sees the same thing. Any other questions or concerns? I know for some people coming from Europe, it's quite late, so you certainly don't have to stay on if you're tired. But we just wanted to make ourselves available to answer any questions.
I hope I can participate in the hackathon. I don't know.
Yes, you're welcome. So just let us know that you want to do that. You're welcome to participate.